The 2018 Honda Ridgeline is the roomiest and most comfortable midsize pickup around. It is the most well-rounded midsize truck on the market today. It can't crawl over desert rock formations as easily as some specially tuned models. But it's comfortable and versatile, and offers most of the utility you're looking for. Ridgeline is different than its main midsize competitors. The Ridgeline is built on a unibody design rather than a more traditional body-on-frame setup. Plus it gets independent suspension all around. This translates to a better ride quality and handling that's more like a car's than a truck's. It also has a highly versatile cargo bed. There's a big in-bed trunk that you can use to store various items. And the bed can hold full 4x8 foot sheets of plywood down flat. Inside the cabin, the Ridgeline has plenty of room for you and your passengers. Since it's relatively well equipped but not completely over the top, we recommend the Honda Ridgeline rtlt trim level. It's available in either front or all-wheel drive. And it has interior creature comforts such as heated and power-adjustable leather seats. And a more visually pleasing 8-inch touchscreen audio and navigation system. The 2018 Honda Ridgeline is a 4-door, crew cab-only midsize pickup that is offered in 6 trim levels: RT, Sport, RTL, RTLT, RTLE and the Black Edition. The RT is available with front-wheel drive only, while the Sport and RTL are available with front or all-wheel drive. The RTLE and Black Edition are AWD only. All come with a 3.5-litre V6 engine, 280 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque, and a 6-speed automatic transmission.